Before you watch this next video, I need you to pay attention. What you're about to see is not a movie set. It's AI, and yes, it is about to get interesting.
When I first saw this, I paused the video twice. I thought, this looks too clean. Multiple avatars, one scene, smooth talk. AI didn't come to play.
You're about to see how AI brings different avatars into the same space, naturally. The scene is sharp, the flow is captivating, and it feels real. Watch closely. This part is the magic. People say modern relationships are broken. Others say men are the problem. Some say women have changed too much. Today, we're not blaming anyone. We're asking one simple question. What is really going on between men and women today?
Expectations have changed. Women now expect emotional presence, not just provision. That's a valid point.
Fair. But some men feel the expectations keep increasing. Be emotionally available, financially stable, confident, calm, all at once.
That pressure is real. But men also expect women to understand their struggle while still giving their best.
Do you ever think about how strange it is that out of all the people in the world, we found each other?
Every day. Sometimes I wonder how my life even made sense before you walked into it.
I didn't expect love to feel this calm.
Me too. But with you, it feels like home.
Over to you, Omar. Tell us how you did this.
Thank you. So guys, I'll be walking you through how to create multiple talking avatars that don't just talk, but actually show emotions. Most times when you don't follow certain steps, you end up with avatars that talk, but they appear so stiff and unnatural. And I know you don't want this, so stick with me till the end of this video. Let's get started. The first step is to generate an image of your avatars. This step is very necessary because this is the point that shows how your video comes out, whether it comes out cinematic or not. How do you generate your image? You can use any image generating app of your choice, but I'm using Google Gemini, and to do this, I select create image. To select the nano banana feature, I type in my prompt here, click here and select the pro model, and then send. And Google Gemini generated this image for me. I'll go ahead and download the video. Next, head over to Grok AI and turn off your automatic video generation. I've taught this in my past videos. This is very important because it gives you control when you are generating your videos. So I've created a video on how you can disable this. Check out the video here. After you've done that, click on create video. Click on this icon. Click on photo library. Import the video. To animate these two avatars, you need an animation prompt. I would advise you to use AI like ChatGPT because it won't just give these avatars what they have to say. It will also add things like the camera movement, the emotions, and every other thing that will make this video cinematic. After I gave ChatGPT a prompt, it gave me a very nice result. If you're interested in my prompts, let me know in the comment section. This is the result ChatGPT gave me, and if you look at this, you will discover that it has camera movement, lighting, the woman's emotions like smiling softly, eyes lingering on his face, and this is the dialogue. What the woman or the man has to say is the dialogue. This is the lady's dialogue. Alright, this is another camera movement, detail, and the man's emotions, pauses, then smiles gently. This is the dialogue again. So this is what you copy and paste as your animation prompt. When you want to animate, you copy from here to here. I'll go back to Grok and paste it Before we do that, you click on make video, then custom, then we'll paste it here. Hit on send.
Do you ever think about how strange it is that out of all the people in the world, we found each other? Do you ever think about how...
So this is the outcome of the first statement the woman made. Now we'll go over to the next statement for the man. Copy from here to here and paste back on Grok. But before you do this, make sure that you've deleted the other prompt for the lady before pasting that of the next character, which is the man. Hit on send.
Every day. Sometimes I wonder how my life even made sense before you walked into it. Every day. Sometimes I wonder how my life even made sense before you walked into it.
Don't forget to download your clips once you've generated them. Also repeat these steps until you've generated clips for your whole story. Then head over to your video editing app. Yes, I'm using CapCut. Import the clips you've generated. Already the camera movements are now on your video, but you might want to add some transitions and auto captions to the video. To add transitions, go to the box here, click on it. Select the transition of your choice. You can add transitions to this video, but I prefer to leave mine like this so that it looks like a continuous scene. The camera movement is enough for me. You can add auto captions to the video by clicking on the text, then auto caption, generate text from the video, select the language, then select any template here, then click on generate. After that, you get something like this under your video showing that the auto caption has been added to your video.
Before you walked into it.
I didn't expect love to feel this calm.
Next, hit on export, select your video resolution and hit on export again. And that's it. If you have any question or comment, let me know in the comment section. And again, give this video a like if you found value and subscribe for more. Bye.